When you're baking from scratch, there are typically 3 ingredients that are required to be at room temperature before they can be combined with other ingredients. Those are milk, eggs, and butter. In this video, I'll share how you can quickly bring these 3 ingredients to room temperature fast so that you can start baking right away. So let's get into it. To quickly bring milk to room temperature, you can do so by pouring the milk into a glass measuring cup and microwaving it for 1 minute or 60 seconds. Now, the milk is closer to room temperature and ready to use. Bringing eggs to room temperature is slightly more tricky. Unlike milk, we won't be able to simply microwave them. Let's submerge the eggs instead to bring them to room temperature fast. We'll start by adding hot tap water to a large bowl. You'll want the tap water to be as hot as the water can get, usually steamy but not boiling. I like to use a stainless steel bowl for this because it holds the heat longer, but a glass or ceramic mixing bowl will work well. Next, we'll gently place each egg into the bowl and we'll allow them to sit for about 15 minutes. Now our eggs are ready to go. Next, we'll be bringing butter to room temperature. Butter that's been stored in a refrigerator is very hard and must be softened in order to better combine with other ingredients such as sugar. You'll want the butter to be softened, but if you're able to do this with your butter, it is entirely too soft to use in a baking recipe. If your microwave has a butter softening or melting feature, you could run the risk of melting the butter in an attempt to bring it to room temperature. Instead, we are going to use a grater like this one to quickly reduce the butter into slivers. In order to do this more effectively, be sure to use a grater with wider openings as opposed to a grater with smaller openings. I'll place parchment paper on my work surface, grab the butter, and gently rub the butter against the grater like this. By reducing the stick of butter to smaller pieces, we've exposed more of its surface to the room temperature than would have been exposed if we had simply left the stick of butter to sit out at room temperature. Now that your ingredients are ready to go, you can start on your baking projects right away. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to hit the like button below and share it with a friend. Subscribe to my channel for more cake decorating tips, tricks, and tutorials. A special shout out to all of my channel members, and to you, thanks for watching.